The best camera for YouTube is probably one of the first things you will be looking for if you want to get started on the platform or improve the quality of the content on your YouTube channel. YouTube remains the world's biggest video sharing platform, and there are opportunities to use the platform to promote your work or even turn it into a business itself, so it's worth taking the time to find the best camera for YouTube for your need. In this video, I will be showing you 5 amazing cameras that you can consider for YouTube. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which camera did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to buying any new camera or a gadget, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there and I will reply you back. GoPro Hero 11 Black, the best action camera for YouTubers. Throw it in a lake, hurl it off a mountain, or bounce it along on a mountain bike. If you need extreme durability, then GoPro is a brand for you. If you plan on capturing sports for your YouTube channel, no matter how extreme, then the small and the robust GoPro Hero 11 Black is for you. Superseding the popular Hero 10 Black, this Hero 11 is a waterproof to 33 feet down, will send highlight videos automatically to your phone, and now has a longer lasting enduro battery. It retains the tense, useful front screen to make the selfie vlogging easier, and it has updated its class leading Hyper Smooth 4.0 with the, wait for it, the Hyper Smooth 5.0 image stabilization. Buy this amazing camera for its very useful front display and class-leading stabilization. The disappointments here are a small image sensor and it's relatively expensive. Links are provided in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Sony ZV1. The Sony ZV1 has a lot of features that make it a great camera for YouTube. The sensor and the lens are similar to the Sony RX100, but the body, the controls, the audio and the rear screen are all optimized brilliantly for vlogging. You get a very angled rear screen for creative shooting and of course front-facing footage, a clip-on windshield for recording clear audio outdoors and a brilliantly fast autofocus, all in a compact size that's easy to slip into a pocket. The camera doesn't have a built-in viewfinder, flash or even a mode dial, but there is a big record button and a big built-in mic, just what you need for recording YouTube content on the go. It's slightly more expensive than the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, but this is having its own features that make it different from other cameras. Buy this amazing camera for its very angled screen, fixed 24-70mm with a focal length of 1.8 to 2.8 zoom, and included windshield makes it the best camera. Panasonic Lumix GX6, the best camera for YouTube at higher end. Every YouTuber is going to be at a different skill level, with some boasting much more advanced video knowledge than others. If you are someone who likes to get under the bonnet of a camera and tinker with your video footage until it's precisely perfect, then the Panasonic Lumix GX6 is for you. This is one of the best consumer video cameras ever made. The beating heart of the camera is its new 25MP stacked sensor, which enables much faster readout speeds and means it puts many more video options at the user's disposal. It can shoot using basically every conceivable codec a filmmaker or YouTuber could want, and it can go up to 5.7K resolution at 30 FPS in Apple's Pro Resolution format. Buy this amazing camera for its unlimited recording times, incredibly customizable video. The disappointment here is chunky and heavy, and the battery life could have been better. Sony ZV E10, the best Sony vlogging camera, which is an excellent mid-range camera also. Sony had for a while been hunting for a dedicated mid-range vlogging camera. While the ZV1 compact was nice, what vloggers and YouTubers were really after was a mirrorless camera that would allow them to change lenses and generally be more flexible. Step forward, the Sony ZV E10, an APS-C mirrorless camera absolutely loaded with video features. The 4K Ultra HD detail and the quality is excellent, while the Full HD can be stepped up to 120p for a slow motion footage. Also, while buying an external microphone is always better. If you are working on a tight budget, the built-in mics on the ZV E10 do a thoroughly credible job thanks to in part to the larger grille on top that allows for higher fidelity sound capture. Buy this amazing camera for its exceptional video autofocus and solid built-in mic. The disappointments here are rolling shutter in 4K and convoluted Sony menu. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III, every YouTuber's favorite camera and the best vlogging camera and the best YouTube camera overall. A lot of YouTubers highly rate the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III, and it's easy to see why. It's not the most exceptional camera in any category really, but a superb jack of all trades doing everything that YouTubers need it to do, all in a tiny body that you can basically take anywhere. The little camera is capable of 4K Ultra HD video at 30p, and HD video is available at up to 120fps, allowing you to create slow motion effects. The Mark III version adds a 3.5mm mic jack, which makes a difference in terms of audio quality. The 2400mm f1.8 to 2.8 lens is fixed and can't be changed. However, this zoom range is fine for most YouTube use, and its maximum aperture f1.8 is generous enough to make the G7X Mark III pretty nifty in low light. Another real plus for YouTubers are concerned is that the camera can live stream broadcasting footage with a clean HDMI out. There are cameras out there with a more advanced video specs, but the majority of content creators won't need them. Buy this amazing camera for its fast and versatile lens, great flip-up touchscreen. The disappointments here are 10-minute 4K limit and middling battery life. So these are the amazing cameras for YouTubers that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.